Hi guys, this is Pal from Gossipfunda, and today I'm going to teach you how to connect your DualShock PS4 controller to your iPhone or iPad. Let us see how you can do this. So before we start, we should know that the Bluetooth DualShock 4 controllers are limited in their compatibility. So that means that if you own an Apple device with an iOS 13 or iPadOS 13 or above, only then the DualShock 4 controller will be able to connect with you. So So to check the software version of your iOS device, you should go to the settings of your iPhone and then check in the general settings of the software update tab. When you go, you will see the like you can see my software update is 15.4. That means it is more than iOS 13. So you should follow the same steps for iPadOS 13, and you can check if your device is capable of connecting with the DualShock 4 controller or not. After checking the iOS version of our iPhones, we need to make sure that the DualShock 4 controller is disconnected from the PS4. So let's check out how we can disconnect the PS4 controller from the PS4. So as you can see, this is the DualShock 4 controller, and this is called the PS button, and this one over here is called the share button. We need to press all these buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds and hold them until the PS4 controller is disconnected from the PS4. So we need to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously and hold them for 10 seconds. As you can see, the lights are now flickering. This means this PS4 controller is now in pairing mode, and you can now connect it freely to your iPhone or iPad. So now that our PS4 controller is now disconnected, we need to make sure that the Bluetooth of our device is now connected to the DualShock 4 controller. So let's head out to the Bluetooth settings. You can long press on this and check out the DualShock 4 controller that is now still in pairing mode. Click on this until your device is connected to the DualShock 4 controller. So now you can see that the DualShock 4 wireless controller is now connected to my iPhone. You can make sure of this by going to the settings of your iPhone and go to the Bluetooth option. You will see that the DualShock 4 is still connected to my device. With this DualShock 4 controller, now you can play any games like PUBG or Hill Climb Racing on your iPhone. All the games that are supported with the DualShock 4 controller will be capable of playing the games. For more amazing tips and tricks, make sure you like, share and comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel. You should also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content regarding iPhone and Android. This was Pal. Thank you for your time. Until next time.